How to get the perfect travel manicure, DIY ideas. Making time for a nail appointment is difficult, plus, it's pricey. So, some folks have finally opted to do it themselves, and are completely enamored with the outcomes. They will never have to visit a salon for a manicure again. What is this DIY trick, you ask? Well, here it is. La Mini Macaron Gel Polish Kit. There are other at-home gel nail kits available, however, most women chose La Mini Macaron, due to its very attractive style. The UV lamp is shaped like a macaron, and we adore the design style. The kit includes everything you need to accomplish a gel manicure, including an LED lamp with a USB connector, a bottle of gel polish in the shade of your choice, a cuticle pusher, a micro nail file, 10 gel paint remover wraps, and full application and removal instructions. The procedure is straightforward and well explained in the accompanying instructions. After prepping your nails, you apply gel polish to each nail and cure it for 30 seconds under the LED lamp. The lamp may be charged by plugging it into your laptop or any USB port. The swivel lamp can also be rotated around to provide a gel pedicure. This handy little kit is ideal for travel. It's tiny, but it can give you a salon-quality manicure no matter where you are in the globe. If you prefer a larger lamp, the Little Macaron Maxi allows you to cure the nail varnish on 4 nails at once, both hands and feet, and comes with 4 mini bottles of gel polish. When compared to the cost of typical gel manicures, these sets are really affordable. They make excellent gifts, and you might as well get one for yourself while you're at it. Please see the product links in the description. Parting question: do you think airlines should ban nail polish on board? Please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more amazing videos.